Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to learn creating the bouncing animation using this Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can select this composition and new composition, and you can also select the color of the background, which one do you want, and click OK and OK again. And the next step is gonna be creating the ellipse and how to pop up this option. So you can select and hold it like this and choose the ellipse tool. And if you would like to create the perfect ellipse, so you need to press the shift on your keyboard first and drag it like this. And after that, you can also change the position. For example, you can put it here, and after that select this shape layer 1, and now you need to press P on your keyboard, or the P letter, like this, 1 2 3, which means the position. And after that you can start to activate the time vary, which is adding the keyframe for creating the motion like this. And for example, I will put the animation gonna be ended here or here, and click this add keyframe. And for example, I want that the movement gonna be go down, so you can actually move it by click and hold it, move it here, or you can also change the position here like this. And after that, I will select this first keyframe and give the right click, go to keyframe assistant and go to this easy ease. Perfect. And after that, you can start to select this second keyframe and go to this time vary. So before you click this time vary, you need to press the Alt first, push it and click this. There you go. So in this section you can start to put the expression of the bouncing effect. And how can we get it? Don't worry, because I will put it into the description box, and you can also try it into your version. I will copy it from here, and I will remove the transform position and paste it here. And you can also enlarge the size of this look like this. And after that you can start to play it from the start and press the space on your keyboard. So how to make the bouncing effect a little bit faster? So you can start to select this keyframe, or the second keyframe only here, and click it and hold it, let's say, to this section, for example. And you can start to move the current time ruler here, current time indicator, move it here, and you can start to play it, and let's try. Okay guys, the more you move it closer here, so the bouncing effect's gonna move faster and more intense. So that's all guys, this is the bouncing animation we have by using this Adobe After Effects. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video found you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.